Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
High Court has set aside the reservation in case of 5 municipal councils. And one petition, I think it is in respect of 1 municipal council they have dismissed, other 5 they have allowed. So a new reservation will have to be done. Election Commission has been directed to complete the process of elections by 15th of April. Other councils' elections should go ahead because there is no interference from the Honorable High Court.
Indeed, it is a historic judgment. We had challenged reservation qua 2 municipalities. One is Sanguem and another one is Margao. And on both counts, both the municipalities, the court has held that the reservation is illegal in the sense that it is violation of rules and the act of Municipalities Act, as well as in violation of the constitutional principles. So the High Court has directed that as far as these 2 municipalities are concerned, apart from other 3 municipalities and in which we had not filed petitions, that the reservation is quashed and set aside. The state government is directed to carry out the exercise of reservation within 10 days and complete the process within a time-bound manner. So these are the directions of the court. And I must say, indeed, it's a historic judgment. When the judgment was pronounced, the Advocate General asked for a stay for a period of 1 week because they wanted to go to Supreme Court. That's what Advocate General told the court. But nevertheless, the court held that the reservation is especially illegal and therefore there is no question of granting any stay. And this order which is passed by the court is in furtherance to the process of the election. So therefore, there is no question of any stay. So the court rejected the stay asked for by the state government.
What will happen is this: the state is likely to go challenge the order in SLP before the Honorable Supreme Court. Okay. That is, if this Honorable Supreme Court doesn't interfere, then we will go by the High Court order. So by 15th of April, we will be completing the entire election process.
The High Court has quashed the reservation notification in respect of 5 municipalities, that is Sanguem, Margao, Mormugao, Mapusa, Quepem, and High Court has said that that notification has to be issued as early as possible, and fresh notification issuance thereafter elections have to be conducted at the earliest. That is what the High Court has said.
So when are these dates been scheduled?
No, the dates have to be scheduled by the Election Commission again now. The High Court has not fixed the date or anything.
So why it was been done?
So High Court says that 1/3 reservation for women was not done properly. There fractionally it was lesser than 1/3. So they have said that you have to have it more than 1/3.
Sir, when is this hearing coming up, please?
High Court hearing is over now. Today the case was fixed for final order. So High Court has passed the final order now.
Okay, so now the State Election Commission has to notify again dates.
That is the order of the High Court.
All municipal elections?
No, only in respect of these 5 municipalities. Okay. Other elections will continue. Insofar as Bijoli Municipal Council is concerned, Panji Corporation is concerned, Valpoi, etc. Apart from these 5 municipalities, other elections will go ahead.